Good morning from Edinburgh. We're on a walking tour of Old Town with Context Travel. See a link to their website in the description below.
Then I don't wanna waste no time. I don't wanna waste no time. No, I don't wanna waste no time.
First up, we're heading to Edinburgh Castle with our guide Irene. We'll go in and explore in our next video, but for now, Irene explained that the stands are constructed at the start of summer for the annual Royal Edinburgh Military Tattoo, which occurs during the month of August. Once the event is completed, the stands are broken down until next year. Edinburgh Castle is the official start of the Royal Mile, so let's head down and see more.
We're drifting away and talking is getting harder. Tell me, is this the real life that comes after tonight? Tell me, is this the real life with no place for you and I? Then I don't wanna waste no time. I don't wanna waste no time. No, I don't wanna waste no time. Then I don't wanna waste no time. I don't wanna waste no time. No, I don't wanna waste no time. I feel how it's coming on, the end with the break of dawn. But your breath is the perfect song, alright. I don't wanna waste this high. Soon I'll be stuck at home with your number stuck in my phone. Wanna see if like me you were all alone, but it's all just a waste of time. Are your thoughts on me like my thoughts are on you?
We just veered off the Royal Mile via some steps down to another level and made our way to the famous and colorful Victoria Street, which is known for being the inspiration to Diagon Alley and J.K. Rowling's Harry Potter books.
That comes after tonight. I cannot let you go. I cannot let you go. Tell me, is this the real life with no place for you and I? I cannot let you go. I cannot let you go. Tell me, is this the real life that comes after tonight? I cannot let you go. I cannot let you go. Tell me, is this the real life with no place for you and I? I cannot let you go. I cannot let you waste no time. I don't wanna waste no time. No, I don't wanna waste no time. Then I don't wanna waste no time. I don't wanna waste no time. No, I don't wanna waste no time. Then I don't wanna waste no time.
A short uphill walk from Grassmarket, we found ourselves in Greyfriars Kirkyard, a cemetery where we learned about the metal cages that were placed above graves to deter grave robbers. But what this area is better known for is the grave of Greyfriars Bobby and a statue just outside the cemetery entrance. Greyfriars Bobby was a Skye Terrier who became famous for guarding the grave of his owner for 14 years until he died in 1872. We made our way back to the Royal Mile and stopped to learn more about St. Giles Cathedral and its history, including little architectural hints on the exterior to help us understand the timing of when it was rebuilt. After St. Giles, the rest of our walking tour would consist of walking down to the other end of the Royal Mile as we passed numerous souvenir shops, lots of eateries, and countless cashmere and wool retailers. We eventually made our way to the Scottish Parliament building at the end of the Royal Mile and just across the street from Holyrood Palace. You'll see more of Holyrood Palace in an upcoming video. You'll either love or hate the design of the Parliament building created by Enric Morales, the Catalan architect. Unfortunately, he died before it was completed in 2004. Finally, we walked around to get a better view of Arthur's Seat, which if you climb, you'll be rewarded with amazing views of Edinburgh, so I've been told. We're saving the climb for our next visit, promise.